Hey savvy entrepreneurs, welcome back to Lucrative Lessons with Landy. Ever wondered what sets apart successful freelancers and business owners from the rest? Today, I'm unveiling the secret sauce to mastering client outreach, a skill that can catapult your success in the competitive business world. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to not only getting noticed, but turning those potential clients into long-term partners. Let's dive into the lucrative world of client outreach together. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial to ensure your client outreach not only gets noticed, but also converts. In addition, each step will come with a live example to illustrate how you can take action on this plan. This tutorial is the result of extensive research, countless hours, and a genuine commitment to providing you with actionable insights. So, let's get started. Step 1, define your target audience. Before you start reaching out to clients, it's essential to clearly define your target audience. Who are your ideal clients? What industries do they belong to? Understanding your audience will help tailor your outreach strategy and make your communication more effective. A pro tip: utilize market research tools and social media analytics to identify and understand your potential clients better. A live example: suppose you noticed a new local restaurant opening. Reach out to them with a personalized message, mentioning how your design expertise can elevate their brand, perhaps by creating a captivating logo that resonates with their theme. Step 2, craft a compelling elevator pitch. Your first point of contact needs to grab attention and create interest. Develop a concise and compelling elevator pitch that clearly communicates who you are, what you do, and how your services or products can benefit the client. Keep it short, engaging, and focused on solving their problems. A live example: hi, I'm Kevin, a graphic designer passionate about translating unique brand stories to illustrations. I recently helped a local coffee shop double its online engagement through a rebrand. Let's chat about how we can achieve similar results for your restaurant. Step 3, build an online presence. Clients often research potential collaborators online. Ensure your online presence is professional and showcases your expertise. Update your LinkedIn profile, create a portfolio website, and curate content that reflects your skills. A strong online presence builds credibility and trust. Live example: update your LinkedIn profile with recent success stories. Share a post detailing how you increased a client's social media engagement by 50% through strategic content planning and audience participation. Step 4, utilize social media platforms. Social media is a powerful tool for client outreach. Identify platforms where your target audience is active and engage with them. Share valuable content, participate in relevant discussions, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. A quick tip: think about forming and sharing case studies or success stories on your socials to show off your abilities. A live example: let's say your audience is on Instagram. Create visibly appealing posts, showcasing before and after snapshots of your successful campaigns. Engage with local businesses' posts and leave thoughtful comments to initiate conversations. Step 5, personalize your outreach messages. When reaching out to potential clients, avoid generic templates. Personalization is key. Mention specific details about their business or recent achievements. Show them that you've done your homework and genuinely feel that your services can add value to their day-to-day tasks. Live example: let's say you come across a community business's Facebook page. Be sure to talk about their achievements. I took note of your piece in the paper. Cheers on the recognition. I believe my social media expertise can amplify this visibility even further. Step 6, choose the right communication channels. Different clients prefer different communication channels. Some might prefer email, while others might be more responsive on LinkedIn or even Twitter. Adapt your outreach strategy based on your target audience's preferences. Insight: experiment with different channels and track which ones yield the best response rates for your specific niche. A live example: if you're targeting tech startups, you might find success on Twitter. Share industry insights, engage in relevant conversations, and connect with startup founders. Directly reach out to express your interest in contributing to their growth. Step 7, provide value first. Don't jump straight into selling your services. Begin by offering something valuable for free. This could be sharing an insightful article, providing a quick tip related to their industry, or even offering a free consultation. This establishes goodwill and increases the chances of them considering your services. Note, the goal here is to create a relationship, not just a transaction. A live example. Share a customized social media tip with a local business. For instance, I noticed your Instagram presence. Here's a quick tip. Utilize Instagram stories to showcase behind-the-scenes moments. It adds a personal touch and boosts engagement. Step 8. Follow up strategically. Timing is crucial in client outreach. Develop a follow-up strategy that includes a series of well-timed messages. Don't be discouraged by initial non-responses. People are busy. A polite and persistent follow-up can often make the difference. Reminder, use tools like customer relationship management software to track your interactions and schedule follow-ups. A live example. Suppose you sent an initial email to a potential client introducing your consulting services. If there's no response after a week, send a polite follow-up email. Just circling back to ensure my email reached you. I'm eager to discuss how our consulting services can streamline your business processes. Step 9. Collect and showcase testimonials. As you start working with clients, request feedback and testimonials. Positive reviews build credibility and trust. Display these testimonials on your website and in future outreach to demonstrate your track record of success. A live example. After finishing an assignment, simply request an endorsement from the business. Share this on your website and socials. I'm so gracious for the chance to work with X business. Their kind words about our collaboration can be found on our website. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering client outreach. Remember, building strong client relationships takes time and persistence. By implementing these steps, you'll not only enhance your outreach strategy, but also set the stage for long-term success. But before you go, I want you to share one step that you're going to take today to optimize your client outreach. Let me know in the comments. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for all the latest content. And if you're interested in learning more about making money online, I have included links in the description box and pinned comment section below to all the products that will help accelerate your progress on your journey, and that will allow me to continue pumping out quality content for you. Stay tuned for more tips on growing your business and professional skills. Until next time, happy reaching out.